Tired of financial chaos? Let's transform your Chase bank statements into organized, insightful Excel spreadsheets in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Chase bank account online once you're in. Navigate to the Statements section, usually found under Accounts or Documents. Now, locate the statement you want to download. Chase usually offers different file formats like PDF, CSV, or Excel. Choose either the CSV or Excel option. These are designed for data analysis. Click the download button next to your chosen statement and wait for the file to download onto your computer. Remember where you saved it. Open Microsoft Excel and create a new blank workbook. Then, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click on Get External Data or From Text, CSV. Depending on your Excel version, this will allow you to import the downloaded Chase statement file. A text import wizard might pop up if you're importing a CSV file. Make sure to select comma as the delimiter. This tells Excel to separate the data into columns based on where the commas are. Once imported, your Chase bank statement data should now be neatly organized into columns. In your Excel spreadsheet, you'll see dates, descriptions, amounts, and other relevant information. To make your data more manageable, use Format as Table for filtering and sorting your data. Now, you can start analyzing your data. Use Excel functions like Sum to calculate total income or expenses, Average to track spending habits, and create charts to visualize trends. This empowers you to better manage your finances.